Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to study chapter 1 of economics, and that is development. So, it is the chapter of class 10th as written over up in the video. So, what development promises? Different people's different goals. Number 1, different people can have different developmental goals. Number 2, what may be development for one may not be development for the other person. It may even be destructive for the other. Income and other goals. People want more income, money, or material things that can buy with it. At one factor on which our life depends. However, the quality of our life also depends on non-material things such as equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect for others. For development, people look at a mix of goals. The developmental goals are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. National development. So, different people could have different as well as conflicting nations. It's a nation, by mistake it is written as notions. Okay, so of a country's development, I repeat this sentence, different persons could have different as well as conflicting nations of a country's development. Now, how to compare different countries or states? To compare countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Countries with higher income are more developed than others with less income, as different countries have different populations. Comparing total income will not tell us what an average person earns. So we compare the average income of countries. Average income. Average income is the total income of the country divided by its population. It is also called per capita income. Average income, total income of country, total population of country. यानी कि जो हमारी एवरेज इनकम होती है इज इक्वल टू हमारा टोटल इनकम ऑफ कंट्री एंड अपॉन टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ कंट्री. उससे हमारा एवरेज निकलता है हमारी इनकम का. ओके, सो इट्स बेसिकली अ फार्मूला एंड इट्स वेरी इजी फार्मूला. So, in world development reports, per capita income is used in classifying countries. Number 1, countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,056 per annum and above in 2017 are called rich countries. Number 2, countries with per capita income of US dollar 955 or less are called low income countries. For example, India. Income and other criteria. When we think of a nation or a region, besides average income, public facilities are equal significant attributes. Public facilities, these are the services provided by the government of its citizens. Some of the important public facilities include infrastructure, sanitization, public transport, healthcare, water, etc. Sustainability of development. Sustainability of development is defined as development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations. Scientists have been warning that the present type and level of development are not sustainable. Some of the examples are overuse of groundwater, exhaustion of natural resources like petrol. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like and do share with your friends, classmates, tuition mates. And if you have any doubt, then go through my email ID that is in the description box. और अगर आपको इकोनॉमिक्स की बुक परचेज करनी है तो उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. जैसे कि ये NCERT की बुक है, मैं इसके साथ आपको ज्योग्राफी की NCERT की बुक प्लस आपको जो हमारी हिस्ट्री की बुक है वो भी और प्लस हमारी सिविक्स की बुक भी प्रोवाइड करवा दूँगी. अमेज़ॉन का लिंक है वो. एंड उसके अलावा चाहे तो आप या ये अलग अलग बुक्स भी ले सकते हैं, मतलब इकोनॉमिक्स की अलग और हिस्ट्री की अलग, या फिर आप इसे कंबाइन बुक भी ले सकते हैं. उसका लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. एंड हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लेना. ओके. Bye bye.